intermediate. I think we started with this. So many different ways to exit. It's just a matter of reading your partner. Crossovers. Yeah. Making connection early enough to make that happen. Kickaways are also very natural out of this. Getting that energy going. Yeah. We talked about airplanes out of kickaway. Continuing that motion. Alright. We also talk about watching your partner enough. You can also do airplane with a two-hand hold. Do we do any other exits from here? Cool. Then we switch gears. Inspired by Frankie Manning and then something we saw from Skye and Frida work recap. Box, step, fall, pop, step, step. Just from a right to right hand hold. Different options out of there. And the other thing that we were saying is we encourage you to just try this also just on its own and see what creativity it sparks as your partner has to deal with it. Thank you. That's it.